This video describes one of the ways to print barcode labels for standard time. As you know, standard time can use or interface with barcode scanners to start and stop a timer. And so there are several ways to actually get the labels printed out. You can use Microsoft Word. There is a report in standard time that prints the projects and tasks. And there is a little barcode builder app, which we're going to take a look at. And that little app will actually use these Avery labels or any other style label that you like that has 30 labels per sheet. This happens to use the Avery template 5160. You can ignore this here. We're basically looking at the template that is used for the 30 labels per sheet. You can use any product you want that has that. And this is the end result. You're going to get the actual labels printed out in sequential order. So that's a very specific use, a very different application than just using Microsoft Word for the flexibility of printing labels anywhere. So let's go ahead and take a look at the barcode builder application. Actually, before we do that, this is the font that you will have to have installed. You can go out on the internet and find that. So you'll want to go ahead and grab that before you install the barcode builder app. So let's switch over to the app and take a look at how to use that. The first thing that you'll do is choose a project from the drop-down list. Now, you may not have any projects in standard time, so in this case I'm going to go ahead and create a new one, and I'm going to name it 70991. Anything you like, you can name your projects. So I've created a new project, and the next thing you can do is add a prefix to every label. So when it prints out the label number down here, it'll actually print a prefix before that. I'm going to go ahead and choose to use the project number for that prefix. So this is going to print 70991-1001 for the entire label. Now, you don't have to do that. That is optional. I'm doing it so that every label would be unique. It would have the project and the task name together. So let's go ahead and click the Print Labels and Create Tasks button. Now, this button is going to do two things. It's going to create the tasks. Actually, I think I want to print about 20 of these. So it's going to print 20 labels starting with this number. And it's also going to create the tasks with the same name as the label. So let's go ahead and click this button and create the tasks and print the labels. So that has printed out. So let's go ahead and switch over to standard time before we take a look at the actual printout. Over in standard time, you see the project here in the timesheet. I open that up and you see all of the tasks, the project tasks that are represented by those labels, 1001 through 1020. So this barcode builder app prints sequential numbers. That's all it really does, and it creates the tasks for those. I switch over to the project tasks tab. Again, you see the project here. You've got all of the tasks. Each one has a duration. They're all set to 0 now by default, but you can change that for how long you think each one of these tasks will take. You get the actual work from the barcode scanner when it scans and gives you the start and stop times and the duration, and then you have a % complete. So you will see those times right here in the timesheet after scanning. So all I have to do is press the F4 key. I would then scan the employee name. I would probably then either scan the project and a task, or if you configure standard time a certain way, you would scan just the task. So that's how the barcode builder app works. It's free with standard time. Just ask for it and we'll show you how to download that, and you can print labels that way. Again, there's many other ways to print labels. If this doesn't work for you, you can use Microsoft Word. There's actually a little report in standard time that prints the project and tasks, or you may just have other software that prints barcode labels, or you may have the barcode labels printed by something else. So let's go ahead and take a look at the actual printout that comes from the barcode builder app. So here you're looking at the actual printout. You can see there's 30 labels on this. You can see they're sequential, 1001 through to 1020. I've chosen to print the project number with a dash between it. Now you will have to limit the number of characters you use here, because I think you only get about 14 characters before it just takes over the whole label, and it's too long. So this looks pretty good as it is here. So that's pretty much how the barcode builder app works. So let us know if that works for you. If it doesn't, again, you can use Microsoft Word or that report in Standard Time. So good luck, and just let us know how it works.